We've done 60 plus different floating designs. Time for spinners. Let's convert some super rare and vintage. Raise Payton Place, center caps, disassembly required. 3 mounting screws to be removed. We will need them later. Now for my custom kit. Both spinners and floating variants will be available. 3 main parts to the kit: bearing plate, upper plate, and main bolt. Time to slot in the bearing plate. It will only fit one way due to the rear peg position. This is the center line for the floating variant. Now we need to add the main bolt and spacer. It should look like this when assembled. Now place on rear of trident and use original 3 screws to attach, like so. Now for final assembly. When installing the plates on upper and lower parts, additional glue can be used for greater peace of mind. But in a few very easy steps, you have custom spinners. The same steps are required for the floating variant as well. Visit vipfill.com to browse the current kits available, or if you have any custom requests, send me a DM. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.